I am not only leaving my life on this court, I am leaving a judicial life that started 45 years ago. But I think institutional renewal is good, and it's my turn to go.
You know, people saying, Rosie Abella, Canada's RBG. How do you react to that?
That is so embarrassing.
17 years as a Supreme Court judge, Justice Rosalie Abella leaves a long legacy.
I became a judge in 1976 on the family court when I was 29 and pregnant, and there were no women. Boys Club. So very quickly, I figured out that I wasn't like them.
In 1984, she led the Federal Royal Commission on Equality in Employment. She coined the term employment equity and helped shape how the Supreme Court would deal with equality rights.
Everybody is different, so if you want equality, you don't do equal treatment. You acknowledge and accommodate their differences. Suddenly doors opened for women, persons with disabilities, Indigenous people, persons of color, people with different sexual identities.
She was breaking new ground. She was really taking very seriously the rights of women, other minorities.
We revolutionized how the law worked with people. My parents, they were the happiest people I knew. People told me that's not common in a Holocaust survivor's home. So both of them gave me the confidence to be fearless. But I wasn't playing to a crowd. I had one judge and it was in here.
Some of your critics have said you've been guilty of judicial activism.
There was no such concept as judicial activism. We don't have polls that tell us what people think. That's our job, to risk being unpopular in order to do the right thing. We're in the living room of the house we've occupied since 1971. It's all sculptures, paintings, artifacts that are fun. Oh, it was such a great ride.
This is me.
I see justice as the aspirational application of the law to life. I wanted just to be really good at what I did, and I gave this my all, and I have loved every second of it.
After she officially retires, Rosie Abella is heading to Harvard Law School, where she will teach young minds about the profession she loves.
Well, she's young. She's only 75. Why should she stop?